Okay, so here's our last video. Number 7. Haven't left myself a lot of room here, so it's going to be really small. The probability that a 60-year-old man will live to be 70 is 0.8, and the probability that a 60-year-old woman will live to be 70 is 0.9. For a 6-year-old married couple, find the probability that in 10 years' time, both will be alive, only the husband will be alive, only the wife will be alive, or neither will be alive. Sorry, haven't left a lot of room, so I'm going to have to make this quite small. All right. So basically, you have a man and a woman, and the two different things you want to know is whether they're going to be alive or not. I know, a little bit gruesome, but sorry about that. So I'm going to make the first branch the man. Okay, I think that's probably the easiest thing to do. So the first branch is going to be whether he's going to be alive or not alive. Okay, so then I'm going to make the second branch the woman. Alive, not alive. Alive, not alive. Okay, now it's said in the question that the man's probability to live is 0.8. So on his alive branch, I'm going to put 0.8. To figure out his not alive, I'm going to go 1 minus 0.8. Okay, because all probabilities add up to 1. So what do you add to 0.8 to get it to 1? You add 0.2. So the not alive is 0.2. And the lady's probability of being alive is 0.9. So I'm going to put 0.9 on her alive there and 0.9 on her alive there. And again, to work out her not alive, I do 1 take away 0.9. So that gives me 0.1, because remember, all probabilities add up to 1 whole. All right, so there's my probability tree. I'm going to write up my outcomes now. Oopsies. Outcomes are alive, they're both alive. The man's alive, the woman's not alive. I know, sorry, a bit gruesome, sorry about that. Not alive, the woman's alive. I'll put that there so you can tell the difference. And both of them, unfortunately, have passed away before they got to the age of 70. Oh. All right, so I'll write down all the answers and let's go. So all of the questions they want us to do is A, B, C, and D. So here they are. A was that they are both alive. B was that the man is alive but the woman is not. C was that the man has died but the woman has not. And D is that, unfortunately, they have both died on us. Not alive, not alive. All right, so let's have a go at the first one. So both. So if we look at the arms, we have 0.8 on the man's alive arm and 0.9 on the woman's alive branch or arm. All right, so I am going to write, stop moving, equals 0.8 for the man times 0.9 for the woman. Do that on my calculator and I get 0.72. Okay? All right, now, alive, not alive. So let's have a look. The man is alive, so that's 0.8. The woman is not alive, so that's 0.1. So let's go back. Man is alive, 0.8. Woman is not, 0.1. That gives me, when I do it on my calculator, an answer of 0.08. All right, next one. Not alive, alive. So this time the man has not survived, unfortunately, but the woman has. So I have 0.2 and 0.9 this time. So let's do that. 0.2 for the man and 0.9 for the woman gives me an answer of 0. I'm glitching. Sorry about that. 0.18. And last but not least, both of them unfortunately have perished. So the man has perished is 0.2. The lady has perished is 0.1. So I need to write 0.2 times 0.1, and that gives me 0.02. Okay, so there you go. There are the answers to that one. Now, if you've noticed, there's not a lot of room for me to write this next one, number 9. So I'm actually going to post that just as it is. I won't do a video because they take a while, and I'll put that up on Google Classroom for you. Thanks. Bye, guys.